How to buy Amazon Prime membership. There's two ways to do it. One is just open your Prime Video app and log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, if you have not bought yourself a membership, the first thing it's going to ask you is to buy a membership. In my case, I've already bought membership, so the moment I log in, I'm into my account. In your case, it's going to ask you to buy a membership. That's one way to do it. Another way to do it is just open up your browser on your phone, and on your browser just search for Amazon Prime Video subscription like this. Once you search for Amazon Prime Video subscription, you can click on Prime Video, browse, and start subscription. Watch now. Inside here, this is how it's going to look like. Click on Go Prime Video Home, and from here click on Prime Video Member Sign In. From here click on Create Account at the top and create yourself an account. Once you create yourself an account, at the end it's going to ask you to pay for the subscription. So choose the subscription model you want and you're good to go. That's how we guys can buy Amazon Prime membership from your iPhone. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.